guys, my name is Trui and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about review keys. Review keys are keys where you get a game for free because you're a YouTuber or a Twitcher or a mixer. And you can test out a game and see if you like it on stream or on YouTube, so you can make some promotion for them too. One of the ways to get review keys is emailing developers or publishers, which is actually a pain in the ass and you're probably never gonna hear of them back again. You can also use Twitter for it, but that might be seen as rude by some people. A good solution to this is actually sites where you can request review games and where developers are posting review keys. I know 4 review game sites where you can request your games. Let's start with the first one. This one is called Indie Boost. And like you see, if you log in and verify that you're an influencer by connecting your YouTube, Twitch, or Mixer, or all three, I don't know, maybe you're into all three, you will be able to go to this Discovery Game tab on the left here. And all these games that you see here, you can request a code for. Like, there are tons. That many, actually, that many. So you can just click on a game, it will pop it up, and you can click on request code or even request an interview with the developers, which is really great. So this is Indie Boost. Then we have Woofit. Woofit actually works a bit different. You see all the games that you can request games keys for here. If you untick this box, you will see all the games that are available that I can't. So this game I can't really request. I recommend leaving it on this checked on, because otherwise you just see nice games that you can't even request. You see that it says get now here, which means that if I click on this button, I get this game immediately. I get a key for this immediately. I don't have to go like get verified or something like that because I already connected my Twitch. Sometimes it says apply, like here. Then the developers will get a notification that you apply for the key and they have to say if you get it or not. They have to accept it. There's one downside of this site is that you can only request up to 3 games at the same time. If you streamed it or if you made a YouTube video of it, you can send that to the site. Sometimes it even automatically picks up and it will put it in delivered, and then those keys wouldn't count as one of the 3. On this site you can also see, if you click on a game, what the qualifications you need to actually get the game key. So you need or 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, or 1,000 followers on Twitch, or you have to be Twitch partner, or you have to have 500 followers on Mixer to get the Brock Galactica. I have 1,000 followers on Twitch, so I can apply for this game. Sometimes there are more than this. You just have to have one of those things, but sometimes at some games, let me see if I can find one. Not this one. Yeah, this one. It requires something, which means that you have to like do all this. Now it's just this Steam. They want you to connect your Steam as well, so they can see that you don't own the game yet. So I don't own the game yet, so I can request this. I also have 20 YouTube subscribers and 20 followers, so I can do it on YouTube or on Twitch. You can only make a video on YouTube if you have the numbers on YouTube. If it says that you have them on Twitch, you can only do it on Twitch. Same with Mixer, of course. That's a bit of a downside of this site, but it has games, and the total upside of this game is that you can request games immediately. So if you want to make a YouTube video, you can just click on it and you will get the game immediately. Or if you want to stream about it, you get it immediately. You don't have to wait a week or 2 or 3. Sometimes they just ignore you forever. That happens. But here you get the game immediately. The third site I want to talk about is Terminals. Terminals is a bit different. It has a lot less games than the other 2 sites. Most of the time it has like more popular games. I personally had Conan Exiles from here. There are a lot of games on here that actually you won't see on the other sites. And you have a pretty high chance of getting them on this side. The con of using terminals is that you have to have 500 followers until then you can't request anything. You can watch the games though. You can like just click on a game and see all the news about it, read about it and stuff like that. So if you're interested, even if you're not streaming, this site can just provide you of some information about new games, which is pretty cool. Then the last site, and the most known site actually, is Keymailer. And this site has a ton of games. Literally, you can't even... They have a tab here with popular games. I look at that a lot. These games just gone live. You can actually search for games here as well. You will actually find more games than you would expect. Like Hitman. If you just search for Hitman, you will find all the Hitman stuff on this side. You can request them, and you might get them. You might, like I said. Most of the time on this side, on Keymailer, people will just ignore you and will not find you forever. That's way less at the other three sites. This side has way more games. You can just request all the games you want to play and see if you will get the key, but just expect no keys. Really. Keymailer is nice, but a lot of times you wouldn't get any keys. Probably if you grow, you will get more keys. The developers themselves see how many followers you have and stuff like that. So if they see that you have 1 million followers, they obviously want to give you a key, right? If you have any questions about this site or about one of the other sites, or just Twitch in general, if you have another question, if you want me to explain something else, then just leave a comment. Just leave a comment, because I want to help people, and you are people, probably. You're not a dog, right? Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate all of you. Don't forget to subscribe, tick the little bell icon. The sites are in the description, also my socials, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!